Hi everybody, we are going to be installing Metasploitable 2 today. Metasploitable 2 is going to be installed as a virtual machine, and I went over some details on how to go ahead and download Kali Linux using a okay everybody, we are going to install Metasploitable 2 as a virtual machine today, and I'm going to walk you through the process. It's pretty simple. Some are not really understanding how to do this because when you do it on a virtual machine it's a little different, so we're going to go over that today. Alright, so first what we want to do is type in Metasploitable 2, then we want to find the link here. You could use the first link available, and you want to download that. And what you're going to do here, you just have to download right here. Okay, this is the link that I used. And it's going to ask for some information here. You can just fill that out as you wish. Okay, then we're going to get to a link after we input our information. Download Metasploitable, and we're going to go ahead and download it. Let me speed this up for you. Okay, so once you download Metasploitable, you will see a file. When you open the file, you will see it will list the virtual machine and numerous other files here. So what you want to do is you want to go back to, let me close some of these windows here. You want to go to the Oracle virtual machine that we have, and then what you want to do is create a new one. Okay, I'm going to name this Metasploitable 2. I'm just going to leave it as default right here. As long as it's within the green, that's sufficient enough. Now it's going to ask you the hard disk, whether or not you want to add a virtual hard disk or create a virtual hard disk, or just use an existing one. Now we're going to go ahead and use an so we're going to use an existing virtual hard disk. You want to choose that last one down here. Losing my cursor on the other monitor. Okay, then we're going to click create. And then we're going to go ahead and see that. Now the reason why we said use existing is because remember the this Metasploitable 2 is created for Oracle, the VirtualBox, and as a result all we have to do is not like we have to create anything new. We're going to use the existing one, the file that's already there, and you want to navigate to that area. And okay everybody, so once you have downloaded, you want to go ahead and you want to click on new. I've already done that, and then once you click on new, you're going to see this here pop up, and it's going to ask for the name. Now I named mine Metasploitable 2. Alright, and then it's going to go ahead and ask for the machine folder. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is where it says type, we're going to go down, we're going to click Linux, and we're going to go ahead and leave this here at 64-bit. Alright, go ahead and click next. Alright, then we're going to click next. I'm just leaving the default here for the memory size. And we're going to use an existing virtual hard disk file. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and find the file. Now, I actually saved it on my desktop. I unzipped it and then I cut and pasted it to my desktop, and then we're going to go ahead and choose it. Use existing virtual hard disk file, create, and that should do it. Now we're going to go ahead and open it up. And there you have it. Okay, so it went ahead and installed. Now it's asking for my login. So the default login is msfadmin. Password is the same, so that's msfadmin.